This breaking news is from Washington, where the U.S. Supreme Court has barred President Donald Trump from immediately firing Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook. The court on Wednesday deferred the U.S. president's application until the justices will hear oral arguments in the case in January 2026, that's next year. Last month, Trump called for the reversal of court judgments that allowed Cook to remain in her job for the time being. The U.S. president brought the appeal to the Supreme Court after two lower courts decided to allow Cook to continue working at the Fed while she pursues her case against the U.S. president. Let's talk to our correspondent, Susan Teherani. She's now joining us on the phone. Susan Teherani, I think this is good news for Lisa Cook.
To a certain extent, because the Supreme Court has agreed to hear arguments in January. So Cook is going to be in her post for now. But nonetheless, this is unprecedented, Eric. Never before has a U.S. president tried to fire a sitting Federal Reserve governor. And it really will ultimately test the legal boundaries of the Fed's independence. A lower court, if you may remember, blocked Trump's attempt, ruling that allegations against Cook are likely not a qualification for a cause. Those were alleged mortgage fraud before her confirmation. So ultimately, you know, this is a front row test of whether the executive branch can override institutional checks. You can frame it as Trump versus the Fed at this point, and not necessarily just Lisa Cook.
Mm-hmm. Has the president reacted or not yet?
The president has not reacted, but we are expected to hear a reaction from the president. But remember, this is a majority Republican, conservative-leaning Supreme Court, so it'll be interesting to see how they decide.
All right. Susan Teherani, thank you.